Good morning, everyone. See, Lombard is basically a future group company. Um, about Lombard is a region in Italy, and there is a Lombardy tribe, and they are the main economic and political powerhouse of Italy. So that's why, inspired by them, we have named this brand as Lombard. The tagline is Lombard, where real power rests. We already have a range of ready-made garments which is available at Central and Pantaloon stores. Now we are backward integrating this product to suitings, and because more than 50% of suits are sold in form of bespoke suits. That is, tailoring is done. So we'll be into the men's fashion and premium segment of suiting. Future Group, which is about 14,000 crores company, we're going to speak in this men's fashion wear from the position of strength. In fact, there's no other group which is as powerful or in terms of economics as Future Group. This is the first launch in Delhi, and we'll be going to various centers all across the country. And we're planning to approach we'll open about 750 MBOs, and we're targeting about 50 EBOs all over the country. And our product will also be sold to approximately about 10,000 MBOs through our wholesale network. See, all over the country, we're going to have agents who will be our basically arms and ears of the market. They'll be appointing multi-brand outlets, they'll be appointing wholesalers, and they'll also be scouting for exclusive brand outlets. So we'll have exclusive shops across the country, not in malls. Basically, we are looking at high streets where the shop is prominently located in the marketplace, and their entire range of Lombard will be available. Those will be the exclusive shops. Our experience says that high street shops where the serious buying happens, suiting is not a frivolous buying. It doesn't happen much in malls. This is what our experience says. So we are looking at high street where people go for real, for jewelry or for wedding shopping. They're normally going to the high streets, and malls are basically entertainment and impulsive buying. So our product is not which is, suitable for impulsive buying. It has to be well planned, well thought, and so that's why we feel that high streets would be more appropriate for our kind of a brand, serious brand. At the moment, for next 1 year, no. But yes, definitely women's western wear is going to be in our site, but not at the moment. Because men's shopping is happening at a different kind of shops and different market altogether. So for women's wear, we'll have to chalk out the strategy, the markets, the shops, the kind of environment, the kind of tailoring that to be provided. So it's going to take a little time, but it'll definitely be on the radar. And our target is to achieve a target of about 500 crores in the next 3 to 4 years. And this will be exclusively premium brand. Premium in the sense that it's not going to be one of those that's available at every street corner and everywhere. So it's going to be available only in the shops. People who love, who respect, who have a passion for fashion and fabric. So it will be sold through those kind of outlets where there's proper stitching available, proper tailoring available, and people who know about textiles, real suiting. We have a range of polywools, all wool, machine washable. There are various new products which we have launched, new colors, new textures, and polyester viscose also, which is most suitable for Indian environment. And we want to educate people about all wool. Actually, pure wool is a very good natural fiber. It has various properties. In fact, in summers it cools your body, and in winters it gives you warmth because it is a natural fiber. It absorbs moisture. When you're sweating, it absorbs moisture and retains your body temperature. Same way in winters, it insulates you against cold air coming inside. So it's a very good air conditioning kind of an effect. But unfortunately, people relate wool to only winter wear. So this is how gradually we'll educate customers also about the qualities of wool. Actually, in Indian environment, there are only one or two companies.
Could you name
Otherwise,
them?
naming wise, I think there's Raymond, Regent Taylor, and then there are a lot of imported brands. A little bit of it, everything is coming because made abroad, made in Italy or made abroad is itself is a brand. So the brands are not very popular, but because of the made in selvage, that becomes a premium. Target consumer would be male, Indian male from 20 to 45 years of age. And now people are shifting, people are moving. In fact, nobody minds spending money on clothing, even in smaller towns, let's say, place like Kolhapur or so. It's the marriageable crowd also, which is, we are targeting marriage crowd also because that's the time when people really spend on their clothing and suiting and formal wear. A person wants to feel the fabric, see it himself, and there's also styling and perfect fit, which is a little difficult. Little, I mean, I would say very, very difficult to do on e-marketing, through e-marketing, but we are definitely working towards it. Once we have the right formula and right things, it will be in place. But for fabric or for a suit, there are so many intrinsic values which cannot be explained and which cannot be, it has to be felt, you know. So once a person sees the fabric, he feels it, he looks at it, how it drapes on him, and the tailor also matters a lot, his personal measurements and all that. So a lot of hypothetical things which are involved.